Hello everyone, today I'm going to discuss bikini pigmentation. Nobody wants the darkness over that region. I'm going to give you the tips. Very first, the home care things. Do keep a tissue paper in your washroom. You have to keep the bikini region dry. If it's wet, it will become darker. So always wipe it off with the tissue paper and keep the region dry. Secondly, keep changing your pads during menstruation periods because if it's wet, it's going to be dark. So these are the two home care tips you have to take care. Thirdly, you can consult a dermatologist who will be giving you certain creams to be applied at home for 1 to 2 months, which contains hydroquinone or azelaic acid, which will lighten the area. So second thing is the medicated creams to be applied. The third thing is peel off peels. You can get it done at any good dermatologist clinic. The peel off peel is a sort of a medicine which is applied on the bikini area so that the topmost dead skin actually peels off. When it peels off, the pigmentation deposited in it, the black color deposited in it also peels off along with it. Don't worry, it's absolutely safe. You require around 3 sessions, 15 days apart. So the peels, the benefit of peels over the medicated creams is that peels penetrate little deeper than the creams. So very first I told you keep the region dry by frequently changing your pads and keeping a tissue paper in your washroom. Secondly, consult a dermatologist for the depigmentary creams. Third, peel off peels 3 sessions 15 days apart. You can get it done, which are very, very safe and effective. Lastly, you can get the laser hair reduction laser done. So once you get the laser hair reduction done, when there is no more of wet region, there is no more of hair over there. So the moist environment is something which we are erasing when there are no hair over there. When the moist environment we are erasing, obviously the skin is going to be dry, and that's how it's going to be reducing the pigmentation. So remember the rule: if your bikini region, if the skin over the bikini region is going to be wet, it's going to be dark. So all those people who have overweight issues where the thighs actually touch each other, where there's no ventilation, try to reduce your weight. Don't wear too tighter jeans or too tighter clothes which do not allow ventilation, because we are living in India. It's a hot and humid country, so we do sweat, and if there is no ventilation because of jeans or because of tight fabric which you are wearing, so there will be no ventilation and it's going to lead to darkness. So wear loose cotton clothes. Do not wear jeans during summers which do not allow your skin to be ventilated over that region. Keep it dry by using the tissue papers. And laser hair reduction is very, very safe. Not only you get rid of the unwanted hair forever by removing the moist environment, so it keeps the skin dry and thus lighten enough. All you require is 8 sessions done once in a month apart. Don't worry, it's not going to affect your fertility or anything. Why? Because the laser rays do not penetrate 4 to 6 millimeter beyond your skin. So your fertility issues all are not going to be affected at all. So consult a good dermatologist where you get the laser hair reduction done by the US FDA approved diode lasers, not by the Chinese and the Korean lasers. Make sure that everything is done under a dermatologist supervision and not just by the technicians with no doctor supervision. So get laser hair reduction done. Do wear loose clothes, tissue paper, change pads frequently, a hydroquinone or azelaic acid containing creams, or peel off peel. So these are the few tips so that you can actually rejuvenate your vaginal area, and so the bikini region is not dark. You can definitely achieve that in a very, very safe manner. Do comment on the topics you want me to make the videos, and do subscribe our channel by the name Dr. Anvika.